I am out at the Carolina BalloonFest. It is the 50th anniversary, and we are going to just take you around, show you what's here. But it is a huge festival here in Statesville, North Carolina. Lots and lots of people. They're going to do an ascent here soon, and then we're going to do a glow up later. Also a drone show as well. But behind me is the Tethered ride. So it's really popular. Get here early if you're interested in doing that. All right, let's take a look. So this is one of the most special pieces of the evening. This is the glow up, and when things really start to get magical here, and all of these balloons are going to stay on the ground and they're just going to light up in the sky here, and it's just going to be a magical thing. I highly recommend coming out here and checking this out if you're in North Carolina. This weekend is sold out already. It's the 50th, but next year they'll have it again, and book your tickets early.